Welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 7th to the 10th of April 2026 on Tuesday. Maruti discloses his pressing agenda to track down Rachel. Kwezi struggled to maintain her composure as strange events start to scare people around her on Thursday. Kwezi remind Nkosi, whose boss in front of the staff, Evelyn, and Mr. Q's action ignite jealousy in Mr. Xulu. Maruti is dejected when Rachel is unaffected by what he considers bad news on Friday. An incident in the staff room causes Mr. Xulu to break down in tears. The Kwezi beauty staff feels the wrath of Kwezi's outburst. The romantic sparks ignite between Alfred and Stogo. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. And welcome.